This video is sponsored by Susquehanna Custom Lures. You can find them at www.susquehannalures.com, home of the Ken's Redfin.
Hey guys, so Big Sexy here. We're gonna stick on a Ken's Redfin. I also brought the Ken's Redfin Deep Dive, and I brought the Slimline Brown Trout. So standardly we fly fish. Today I'm gonna throw on a Rapala and go down through. So Mike's gonna fly fish and I'm gonna go down through. We'll see what happens. These lures in this video is sponsored by www.susquehannacustomlures.com. Make sure you go check them out. These things are absolutely incredible looking. So I'm going to give you a quick view of them. Give me 1 second. That's what your Redfin looks like. Again, just differences in nose and the deeps and the knot. And this is your brown trout. So these are the only ones I brought with today. And that is your brown trout.
As always, Mike has to be the first one to get to the hole.
There it is. Another one. Looks like a nice fish.
Right against them rocks.
Coming close.
Oh, real nice brown. I caught 2 in here like that the last time. Man, look how they just don't want to come up. I think I got him in the fin.
Oh yeah, you did, I think.
Yeah, he missed it when he swiped at it. Got him in the fin. Huh. That's a barbless hook too. Right out.
It's a beauty there, huh? Oh, missed him. That was a good one there.
There's some nice browns in this pot.
I seen the swirl. He whacked that.
Yeah, I gotta redo my setup here.
Oh, there's one.
Feet. GoPro on?
I hope so. Yeah, GoPro's on.
Rookie. Rookie.
Yep.
Nice.
How's that? Brook trout.
Ken's Redfin with.
Huh? Ken's Redfin.
What's that, about your 5th cast?
Yeah. All right. So we tied on the brownie just to throw something different here, a couple casts. Wow, does that look good coming through the water? Because it's brown, you can really see it. Holy moly.
Got that orange tint.
Wow, that looks amazing. No crap, that looks amazing. Like when I say that, that's no joke.
You gotta make it look amazing to the fish.
Oh, we're working on that.
Yep.
Figure if I toss a different color around a little bit. My God, that's what we need. I can't get better casts. I'm hitting the rocks on the other side. I'll tell you this, I gotta tighten my drag because you gotta keep pressure on. You keep good pressure in that lure, it looks phenomenal. There's one. Oh, that's a giant. Mike, that's a fish there.
I want him 15, 16 pounds.
Man, he smoked that.
And we got big sexy.
He smoked that.
Put on the Susquehanna Custom Lures Brown Trout Rebel minnow and took about 10 casts and wham, he said, that's a monster.
Now I can't tell how big, but it's a brown, it's on the bottom.
I don't want to come up.
He smoked that. Holy moly, he smoked that. I knew that was a fish immediately. He's not as big as I thought.
Oh, you gotta remember, you got that little ultralight rod.
Yeah, I know, I do have.
It's probably a, oh, it's a decent fish. Nice brown. Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice fish.
Yeah, it's right here at your boots.
Yeah, I don't have a net.
I got one here as soon as you get them.
Coming to you.
Yeah, but I don't want to get them in my boots.
I'm trying to keep him out, Mike. There he is.
Yeah, we gotta get them up top, buddy.
I'm coming, buddy. I can't pull that drag too hard. There you go. There you go. He's right at your net. Oh, that's a dandy.
Yeah, that's one like I had broke off.
Wow. And I'm going to just grab the fish. Okay, there we go. Ooh, look at that. That's a beauty.
Beautiful brown.
That is a beautiful.
Let's go Greek brown. Yep.
Beautiful
I'm
brown. All right, Mike, put it under the water. You ready?
You want me to stick the whole thing?
Stick it right under. All the way under.
Yep.
There he goes.
Yep. They're out there fucking slamming up. Brown trout eat brown trout.
Yeah, well, that's why I put it on. Absolutely. Oh, that's awesome.
That's probably the one that broke me off, seriously, up there in them rapids.
That was a dandy there. Man, he crashed that thing. He absolutely destroyed that thing.
Fish that pocket, but we'll just fish here. We don't have a lot of time anyway today, so.
Wow.
The brownie, he came up smack. I think he took the emerger. Nice brown.
There we go.
And he,
What did he hit?
wow. The emerger.
The emerger.
Blue wing olive emerger right in the bottom of his mouth there. He wanted that one. He wanted that one. There's the fly. It's right in the corner.
Yeah.
The blue wing olive emerger. Weird they can see that little bug like that, you know what I mean?
Oh, it's insane, honestly.
Their eyesight is... There's another one. Oh, come up and took it right in front of you.
Get out.
Right there, look. There, it's swiping, see?
I see it.
got emerger.
There he is. Oh, that's on video.
No brownie.
Brookie.
Oh, it's a brook.
That one's a brookie.
On the emerger. Yep, he took the top fly just like that brownie did. There it is.
Same spot too, right in the corner.
Yep, blue wing olive emerger.
Them brookies. Oh, that sucks.
Well, he was hooked on his lip. It's just.
So, is there a hole down farther? Where's, see that stump sticking out of the water? Maybe I'll head there. Yeah. That's a good fish, yeah. No, oh my God, come on. Man, oh man, how am I missing them? Had 3 on and lost them. I know, that's the damn problem. You're 100% right. They are smoking it. Every one I see come up with it and let's spit it out. They're right on that log. Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, I hit 3 of them now. Right in front of me, along that little log that's laying in the creek. No, right here. I mean, they're hitting the water and they're smoking it. Oh, right there, one just came up.
I was going to say one was falling, wasn't it?
No, it just came up. It came up for a fly. Oh no, Mike.
Now you gotta go.
Come on. Mike, if you want to fish it, do it. I'll wait to go get it.
Oh Lord, I'm just gonna take a cast here and I'm gonna stretch that thing. I think it's about done for here right now anyway.
You gotta be kidding me.
There, I got one.
There you go. No rainbow on it at all. That's where I was hitting them, right there. Boy, that sucker's in there.
Yeah, that bit in. I seen it zipping in.
I can usually pop them. I can't pop it. Yeah, we were letting that one behind. GoPro, stop recording.